So I wanted to do a quick follow-up. So if you haven't seen video number one, you might check out video number one. But this one is called No Magic Recipe. So basically the point I was really getting to in this last video is if you want to help your child change their life, it is extraordinarily difficult. And most people are looking for like a magic recipe, a silver bullet, a magic bullet, something that is going to help them change take them from point A to point B, take them from a point where they're not able to execute, not able to do what they need to do, to the point where they're able to be responsible, get their homework done, and get them to a place where they're able to execute well on the things they need to execute on. But if you look at this here, what happens is that if you want them to change, the fact is that it is very rare that there's like one very large thing that happens that creates all that change. And what it really is it's lots of little things. So it's attacking it from all different points, looking at your nutrition, looking at exercise, looking at study skills, looking at how to use a planner, looking at emotional regulation. It's attacking it from all of these. It's little tiny successes in many different areas that collectively work. It is not one big thing. Stop looking for it. If you want to help them change, you're looking at it takes time, and it's you have to be very patient, but you have to be very persistent, and it's all of these little things. And then the spiral is what happens is that as you build on these new skills, these new executive function skills, emotional regulation skills, mindsets, as you're building, I'm saying brick by brick. I mean, imagine a giant brick structure, and it's just one small brick doesn't seem like anything. But as you do it, you spiral back to the same skills over and over, the same mindsets over and over, the same habits and routines over and over. You come back to everything. You refine, polish. Okay, so parents, this is a long process. So do not give up. What you do matters. Just attack it from every different angle. Don't look for the perfect thing. Just follow the stuff that I'm suggesting to you. And these are the things that work. This is how I get it done, how I get them on a track where they're able to say, oh, okay, I'm not concerned about my kid anymore. They've got it. It's not perfect, but I'm not worried at night all the time anymore that they're not going to figure this stuff out. So with that, have a great day. Take care.